अनबॉक्सिंग भी करने वाली हूँ. आई हैव यूज सो दिस प्रोडक्ट, देयर इज अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस प्रोडक्ट which is Cosrx. Okay, so me and my sister keep discussing, skincare products all the time, and one day she's like, oh, I figured out something which is amazing, and it's snail slime. So I don't know कि कितने लोग जानते हैं snail slime के बारे में, but trust me, slime is so good for your skin, and you will actually see a before and after difference in your skin. Like if you apply it on a regular basis, your face will glow, it will shine, you will feel that smoother texture. In fact, जो लोग पूछ रहे थे मुझसे for oily skin, this is again something which is works wonders for actually dry skin and allergic skin, like it's hypoallergenic, but also for, it will, someone's asking me you should use Dettol, like really. No, not at all. Never ever use Dettol on your face, guys. There are so many products I'm featuring. इसमें से कुछ use करो. Don't go into that tangent. So this is Cosrx. This is a brand that is there on Amazon, and it is not there on any other particular website. So I saw it. I was also getting a discount on this. I think there is a 46% discount, which is huge, and I didn't even think before, Absolutely. टोनर के बाद ही क्रीम लगवाते हैं. सो we will be discussing a whole skincare regime. So right now I'm featuring all Korean brands because today's live is about Korean products, but and my favorite picks from that. But also remember, there is a step to follow when it comes to skin. First is always cleansing. The second is always toning. There is a 3-step. If you want to keep it simple, then you put a moisturizer. But I would say use this. Then Cosrx is, this is a snail slime serum again, which can be applied on top of it and will give you better results. So I'm not a one product person. So let me unbox it for you and show you guys. I've tried this on from my sister's bottle, and I've just recently ordered this. So I was like, okay, let me check it out. So this is how I'm unboxing it. Any other questions anyone has? Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and please, I want to welcome you guys on Amazon Live. Here I am with you talking about Korean skincare brands, the guys who have the best skin on our planet. Actually, I love their skin, the way they glow. Even though boys, Korean boys have like, such good skin, and I'm like, what happens? It's all this. So I've opened the bottle. Just look at this. It's gorgeous. Again, it's so, you can see it, right? It's like water. It's so light. It is like water. So this is a brand that I would really want you guys to check out on Amazon. I have picked up a few products and I've put it in the link below. तो आप जाके इस पर क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली इस पर अभी डिस्काउंट भी है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू गो टू द स्टोर एंड पिक इट अप और समथिंग, आई एम श्योर इवन ऑन एनी अदर शॉपिंग वेबसाइट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी more expensive. But one thing about Amazon is कि you are sure about what you are getting. ऐसा नहीं है that you are, if you know how to shop from Amazon better, you will never fail. You will never have a bad experience. You will always have a good experience. And I'm going to talk about that as well. So how to order? What are the things to check out when you are ordering a product from Amazon? See the rating. It's like I saw it was like, there are some 15,647 people who have reviewed this product and said good things. It has 4.5 stars. It is on 50% off. Because Amazon cannot control the vendors to make sure that ye kaun si quality. It is us as a family who write reviews. I make it a point to write reviews on Amazon and give rating because I'm helping others, and by doing this today I feel that I'm helping more. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense to me, and that's why I say that hamesha rating dekha kariye, hamesha comments padho, and read about the seller. Reading about the seller will always help you make the right decision, because there are a lot of sellers selling the same product. So how do you choose which seller to buy it from? So that is where you go to the reviews, where you go to the comments, you see कि product की packaging कैसी थी, अच्छा था नहीं था, about the product you read it. Well, अभी तो मैं आपके सामने बैठी हूँ. So yeah, this is the snail slime. पता है आपको, there is a treatment of snail slime. Come on, come out. See the first drop. Can you see this? I don't know. Just see this. Just see. It's going till there. Yeah. So it's slimy as hell. Like literally, it's amazing. That see, you saw that it was so slimy, and the moment I do this and I do this, it's gone. You can't even feel it. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है. And ऐसा ही लगना चाहिए. Just feels like a hydration shot, and it just gets absorbed. Those are the products that I personally love, that don't create a layering, because then I can put 3-4 products and put all the essential things on my face which will actually create a, ये मेडिसिन में आता है नहीं, ये मेडिसिन में नहीं आता है, बट ये मेडिसिन से बेटर आता है एक्चुअली. Somebody's just asked me that question, so let me tell you about it. This snail slime, there is a treatment, पता है पहले आपको, they used to get snails and put it on the face to suck the blood, and they used to say that कि इसके बाद, like that snail facial के बाद, you'll get a fabulous glow, and that's where they realized जो वो snail slime है, that is really really good for the skin. It has very like loads of antioxidants. It creates like a barrier on that's your skin again. जो fine lines होते हैं ना, that come अगर आप अपने skin को अच्छे से moisturize करते हो. By moisturize I do not again mean कि 10 प्रोडक्ट लगा लिए और फिर ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो वो प्रोडक्ट हाथ में आ रहे हैं. नॉट लाइक दैट. स्पेशली देखो, वो दैट विल स्टिल वर्क मे बी फॉर पीपल हु हैव ड्राई स्किन, बट for people with acne or oily skin, you will always have to go for products which are lightweight products, which are water-based products, which are, you know, just based out of hyaluronic acid or collagen and stuff like that, because that is the product that is going to help you for sure. So if I talk about this is the snail slime serum that you get, and I showed you the texture, and I have spoken about the reviews, about how many, like 15,000 people have reviewed it, plus it is on a discount of 46%, guys. Like, it's crazy good a deal. That's why I didn't think of it. Also, like, I just stole one bottle from my sister. She was like, oh, this is really nice. I used that. The moment it got over, I was like, let me order another one. And then I was waiting for this live to unbox it in front of you and show you how it actually looks and feels, and it is amazing. So don't only check out one product from Cosrx, you can check out more products that they have. And yeah, like there are 3 products that I've personally tried from Cosrx, and I've loved all. So yeah, so first is number 1 is of course the snail slime, because there are days जब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा होता कि मैं इतना कुछ करूँ, and I'm lazy. All I do is wash my face, make my life easy, put one maybe like this toner, put the snail slime, maybe put a cream, and just, or else not even do that and just go to sleep. So this is something that I put at night, and I also put it in the day. Like in the morning, the first thing you do is wash your face. You have to put a toner. If you have a good toner, then you are sorted. Now this was peptide, which has hyaluronic acid. Then this was the snail slime. Now I'm going to